Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. It's your girl Leilani Love, and today we about to hop into this black to silver transformation. And yes, we're doing it in one session. And no, not everybody is a candidate for this, but he has very healthy hair, and I think he's a perfect candidate to do everything in one session. So tune in, tap in, sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Daniel here is actually a perfect candidate to get his hair colored lightened from a level 1 to a level 10 today. He has excessively oily hair, his hair is straight and it's not fine. So here you see me applying the lightener. I started applying the lightener on the ends of his hair and the mid shaft, and made sure I kept a distance between the roots so the roots don't get lighter than the ends. Because I will be lightening the hair close to the scalp, I will be using an on-scalp application today. So that's one thing you need to check. If you're going to be using a lightener on the skin or on the scalp, close to the scalp, you need to make sure that it's safe for on-scalp application. Otherwise, your client will burn as soon as you put it on, and you're going to have to wash it out right away, which is going to affect your results. So luckily, we had no issues with itching, burning. He was just like a perfect client. Okay, so after we finish applying the lightener to his entire head, we're going to proceed to the shampoo bowl and wash it out. So today I have used a purple shampoo to tone it, even though that won't be the only toning process we have today, but toning is key when trying to achieve silver. So as you can see here, I'm toning, but when he comes out of the sink, his hair still has an orange appearance. So I actually am going to go back in. I'm not going to lighten it again, but I am going to go in with a different toner. So this is very important because hair is very deceiving once it's wet and when it's dry. So you always kind of want to dry it out to see the true color that you've achieved. So I chose today to use a semi-permanent color to color his hair versus using a permanent color, which would require ammonia. Being that we did everything in one session, I want to keep his hair in as good condition as possible. Yes, here go the final results. They came out bomb. He loved it. I loved it. Yes, it's a happy world, guys. This is not an easy transition. This is not something that everyone qualifies for, but he was the perfect candidate. I just love how his hair came out. If you're in the New York City area and you'd like to get your hair color, you can always DM me on Instagram or hit me up on styleseed.com/LeilaniLove. Before you go, make sure you hit that like button. Be down with the love squad by tapping that notification bell and hitting all. And just thank you guys. Make sure to share this with people that love color. So next time, peace and love.